Namaste, my name is Sonia. Today I'll be talking about the Hindi alphabet. So the name of the script is Devanagari and it has some special characteristics. It goes from left to right much like English and it doesn't have any capitals or silent letters. What it does have is each letter has a horizontal bar on top as I'll be showing you in the alphabet chart later. So we have 13 vowels in Hindi and they generally follow a short, long pattern. Okay? And I'll be showing you how to draw each one of them and giving you sound examples in English. Okay? So let's take the first one. The first vowel is A and that's how we make it. I'm showing you step by step. Okay? And the horizontal bar on top. And that is A. A as in alert or amazing. Okay, like that. So that was the short sound. The next one is A. Okay, and that's how we make that. So it has an additional vertical bar. Okay, and A as in smart. Okay, A. So we have A and A. Okay. Next we have I. Okay, we have I. So we start like this. And then complete the bar on top. I, like is or if. Okay, a really short I sound. After that, we have the longer version of that. So that will be E. Okay, so it has this little mark on top to note that this is the longer version. Okay, so that sounds like E as in keep, okay, or sleep, like that, okay. Next we have U, okay, and that's how we make that, U, okay. That's a short U sound as in full, okay, full. And then we have the longer version of that with a little tail here sticking out, okay? And that's oo, as in cool, okay? Oo, okay? After that, we have this re. So that doesn't really follow the short and long pattern, okay? But it's there as one of the vowels. So here's how we make re. So it's like a backwards K, and then we add what looks like a cursive lowercase r, okay, and then we finish it off by putting the horizontal bar on top. So that's re, as in react or replay. Okay. The next one is A. So here's how we make that. Like that. And that is A, as in San Francisco Bay. Okay. The next one is A. Okay. It's very similar to A in shape. The only thing is that it has this balloon on top, okay? And that is A, as in app or ash, okay? The next one is O, okay? It looks very similar in shape to the first couple of vowels. The only thing different is that you have one balloon on top. and that's our O as in ocean. Okay. The next vowel is a longer version of that, and here's how we make that. Very similar to the one previous, except that now we have two balloons, and that is pronounced O. Okay, O as in auspicious, okay, or audacious. Okay, O can also be written as like this. Okay, and the next one is very similar in shape again, which is helpful. Okay, the only thing is that it has a nasal dot on top, and that is pronounced Okay, so like that. And then the final one, as you see here on the alphabet chart, it's shaded, so that means that it's not in use that much now, but it's good to know that it exists, and people normally just use the two dots, if at all. Okay, and it's called the aspirate. Okay, which means it has a h sound, so it's pronounced like Okay, so as in ahoy. Okay, So what I would recommend is getting a book called Practice Makes Perfect Basic Hindi. It's a book that I've written. And what's great about it is that it's in the form of a workbook. So it shows you how to make all the shapes in a step-by-step fashion. Okay, so you can practice all the 13 vowels and the consonants that I'll be showing you later in another video. Okay. You can learn step by step how to write those out, okay, and do exercises 1.1 and 1.2 as homework practice at the end of this video. So I'm going to show you how to introduce yourself in Hindi. How do we say, hello, my name is blank, okay? So in Hindi we say namaste. Okay, namaste is a greeting in Hindi. You put your hands together and say namaste, and that greeting you may have heard in other contexts. Okay, it's basically coming from Sanskrit, and it means I acknowledge your being. Okay, so namaste. Mera naam Sonia hai. Okay, and that's how it looks in Hindi. Namaste, mera naam Sonia hai. And you're seeing here that as in English we have these periods, in Hindi we have the Purn Viram, okay, which looks like a vertical bar. Okay, so instead of a period we use a vertical bar to indicate the end of a sentence. And so this means namaste, hello. My name Sonia is. Okay, so just want to point out that the verb in Hindi comes at the very end. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the consonants.